Hi, I'm Brian Kenneth Kondas, author and photographer of Amazing Photography, The Art of Composition. In this video, I'm going to analyze my nature photo, the branch of white flowers. And in this video, I'm going to look at the three elements of composition. The first, focal point. The second, low angle. And the third, dynamic symmetry. Starting off with the focal point, the white flowers, which we see in this photo, they have the greatest area of contrast. They're a white figure on a dark background. Low angle. Well, I shot this at a low camera angle below the flowers so that the background would be these dark green trees. So this dynamic symmetry uses the root 3 framework, and it follows the Baroque angle, which runs this way from the lower left to the upper right, and it locks in with the branch of our focal point. Also, if you look, there's two eyes, one here, on the root 3 framework, which creates this vertical, which runs and locks in with this tree. And then we have this reciprocal of the Baroque Diagonal, which also locks into this tree limb here. For more photography composition videos, visit amazingphotography.net.